Winning the Heart of Hero Award means a few things. One, we were so busy in our day-to-day lives that we often kind of take for granted some of the things we may do. And because we're busy, we're working now and we're working for the future. And it made me pause and think about all the fun, neat projects and really the amazing people I've worked with over the years. I feel blessed, and I've had so many great opportunities to work on different teams, work with different people, work with so many different employers in and around the state of Maine that really I've had a lot of fun and enjoyment. And so, the award helped me in a way sort of pause and reflect and maybe remember that and appreciate that. I had the opportunity many years ago to work on a project where, we're subject matter experts. So we're coming in and, we're trying to tell them, hey, this is what you do, this is how you do, this is best practice, this is evidence-based strategies. And they put up a barrier. They told us it's not gonna work. But what was fascinating is they turned that around and they didn't just say, no, we don't wanna play. They said, here's how it could work. And the key piece of it is they built it within their existing framework. They didn't make it a separate piece. So as a wellness manager and working with your leaders in your organization, how do you fit the well-being of your employees into your organizational strategy, your business plan? How do people come first and how do they help you drive that? And then along the way, how do you help them be the best that they can be every day? Three things that wellness managers can do to improve collaboration is, one, engage leadership. Without leadership support in an organization, whatever it is you try to do and embark on is most likely to fail. And it's not just with your top level executives and C-suite, it's all levels of management, all levels of leadership through your organization. They need to have a shared vision. They need to have a clear understanding as to why it is why we put people first and how we support them. Two, you need to look across your organization and engage people from a complete cross-section of all the different areas, from frontline staff to mid-level managers, to folks that work remote, you name it. You want to have a good representation of your workforce so you can really support their needs and interests. And lastly, follow your guiding principles. At MaineGeneral, we focus on awareness, motivation, skills, and opportunities. We use that to help guide us. Remember this quote, it says, fearful people do stupid things. And in part, when we think about our workforce, people come to work, but they also have a whole lot of other things going on in their lives. And sometimes we have to take a step back to realize they're a whole person. And if we want them to be successful, we have to embrace everything that they bring to the table. Everyone that comes to work wants to do well. They want to succeed. And so through our health and wellness efforts, how do we help them do that? How do we help them flourish? And so a lot of it helps me think about from that perspective, because everyone at some point in time has been afraid, or they're dealing with stress or anxiety or other things going on in their lives that, as much as we want to say, check that at the door, it's not realistic. So how do we come alongside them to help them be successful? One last thing I'd like to leave you with is get involved. Join an organization like HERO, attend conferences on a regular basis, be a lifelong learner. There's so much that is changing in our industry, and it's changing at such a rapid pace. Attending these conferences keeps you up to date on the latest trends, and it's only going to help you help your organization thrive.